Yo, what's up guys? My name's Kit, and this is the HP N0T83UA laptop model. Alright, and here it is, disassembled. So first off, for anyone who is trying to attempt this assembly, there are a few things that you need to know. So there are hidden screws. There's three, going from bottom to top, there's 3, 2. You see there's 2, there's one here and there's one here, and then there's 4 screws on top. So the first 2 screws are hidden underneath the battery, so you got to remember to remove the battery before taking this apart. And then the other 2 are under the hidden under the rubber feet. Alright, so there's one there and then one there. And here is the rubber feet that you had to take off. Alright, another thing that you need to know is that there's this drive here. Alright, and they have it mounted like so, like this. Then there's this one screw that holds it in place. And then it's connected by the SATA cable right here, or the SATA input. And the SATA input is actually slightly angled. So when you take this apart, you want to first like remove this disk drive by just, I don't know, nudging it with your finger or with some kind of plastic tool bit to take it apart from the SATA input. Alright, because I know the first time that I did this, it was literally like pulling this drive up like this, so it was a very precarious situation. But now that I've done it, I've realized that if you just remove or just push this out a little bit and remove it from the inputs, then it will be easier to remove. Okay, so now that I have it removed, let's just take a look at what we have here. So we have these 2 RAM slots. Alright, so the ones that were given, actually I'm gonna try to unclip it first. So we have this one, which is 2 gigabytes. Alright, and this is a SODIMM form factor, I believe. Let's place it down there. Then let's look at this one here. So this one is a 4 gigabyte model, right? So this is also a SODIMM form factor. I believe I can upgrade this even further by giving it to 8 gigabytes SODIMMs. And here is the fan and also the CPU block. Alright, very conventional design. And here is the Wi-Fi card. So I'm just gonna rotate this. Let's take a look at this. So there it is. That is the model and stuff. This is... okay, there we go. So there. And then finally we have this hard drive here. Alright, and then the main thing that I was planning on doing is upgrading this hard drive to SSD, because this thing is hella slow. So I think that'll be a very neat update. And it looks like it's using, let's see, standard SATA input. I'm gonna need to check on actually how to remove this. So it looks like there's 2 screws here and here. And then there's probably 2 over here as well that I need to remove. And anyways, that's it. I'm reaching my 5 gigabyte or 5 minute limit. Thanks for watching. Bye.